how to change store display name on Bigcommerce, easy and quick. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to change your store display name. First, open your browser, and then once you're here, click settings, and here we'll find store profile, and here you can change your store display name. Just type here anything you want, and add any address here, the address of your store, and then click save. Save and go back, it will be saved. I hope that can help you, and that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.